Day 3. The angel visits Mary. Key verse. The angel said to her, "Do not be afraid. You will give birth to a son, and you are to call him Jesus." Luke 1 verses 30 to 31. Children's lesson. One quiet day in Nazareth, a young woman named Mary was going about her normal tasks. Suddenly, an angel named Gabriel appeared. Mary was surprised and a little scared. But the angel said, "Do not be afraid." Gabriel told Mary that God had chosen her to be the mother of Jesus, the Savior the world had been waiting for. Mary didn't understand everything, but she trusted God. She said, "I am the Lord's servant." Mary teaches us something important. We can trust God even when we don't understand everything yet. Recipe: angel cupcakes. Light, fluffy, and topped with angel clouds. Ingredients: 1 box white cake mix. Ingredients listed on the box, usually eggs, oil, water. 1 tub white frosting, white sprinkles or coconut flakes. Instructions: preheat oven according to the cake mix directions. Make the batter as the box says. Place cupcake liners in a muffin pan. Fill each liner about 2/3 full. Bake as directed, then let them cool. Frost with white frosting. Sprinkle with white sprinkles or coconut to look like angel wings or clouds. Bible thought. Mary said yes to God because she trusted him. Today you can say yes to God too, by listening, obeying, and remembering He is always with you.